Demo on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This one is the 2 1/4 inch shampoo bar press. It consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. So you can make this as tall or as squat as you want to. For today's purposes, we're going to be putting bath bomb mix in here, not the shampoo bar. So take your outer shell and place it on top of your bottom plate. And we're just going to start filling. I'm going to fill this to about halfway, and that's going to be good enough. Take your plunger, and it has a little bit of an indentation to make a nice rounded edge. So face down inside of your outer shell, and we're going to start giving it some pushes. And every time we push, we're going to give it a turn. Some gentle taps on the outside shell. A couple of taps on the top plunger. Turn it over. We should be able to lift that bottom plate right off with no problem. Fingers underneath on your plunger, thumbs on the top, and we're going to be pushing up. Grab your cardboard, place it on the top, and turn the whole thing over. And then you should be able to just lift that plunger straight up. And here we have a beautiful 2 1/4 inch shampoo bar 3D bath bomb mold. So you can use this for a bath bomb if you'd like, which is what I've just done, or you can use this to make your solid shampoo bars. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this or any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.